I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Azul, a captivating tile-laying game for 2 to 4 players. Your goal is to become the most skilled artisan by creating stunning mosaic patterns on your player board. We'll cover everything from drafting tiles to scoring points, ensuring you're ready for your next game night. This game combines simple rules with deep strategy, offering a rewarding experience for everyone. Gameplay begins with the factory offer phase. Each of the 5 to 9 factory displays, depending on player count, is filled with 4 random tiles. On your turn, you'll choose all tiles of a single color from one factory or from the central pile. Any unchosen tiles from a factory move to the center. Then, you'll place your collected tiles onto one of your 5 pattern lines on your player board. After all tiles are drafted, it's time for wall tiling and scoring. For each completed pattern line, move one tile to its matching color space on your wall. You immediately score points, one for the tile itself, plus 1 point for each adjacent tile in its row and column. Any tiles you couldn't place, or those that overfilled a line, go to your floor line, resulting in negative points for the round. The game ends immediately after the round, in which at least one player completes a full horizontal row of 5 tiles on their wall. Then, final bonus points are tallied. You'll earn 2 points for each completed horizontal row, 7 points for each completed vertical column, and a generous 10 points for every color where you have placed all 5 tiles on your wall. The player with the highest total score wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.